Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus 2C is GreenGuard Gold certified. GreenGuard is a certification program for products that meet some of the world's most rigorous chemical emission standards. Certified products reduce indoor air pollution and lower the risk of exposure to chemicals, creating a healthier indoor environment in the process. Being eco-conscious has been a Rubio Monocoat core value from the very beginning. Long before the first industry regulation, Rubio Monocoat self-imposed a zero VOC standard for wood finishes. This led to being the first in the wood oil industry to achieve the Eurofins Gold label, and Rubio Monocoat is now proud to have attained GreenGuard Gold as well. Being GreenGuard Gold certified ensures that the product is suitable for use in highly regulated environments like schools and healthcare facilities. This certificate is important because Rubio Monocoat is continuously innovating and striving to be at the forefront of technological innovation. Talking about being ecological is not enough. The GreenGuard Gold certification guarantees Rubio Monocoat's commitment to action. The GreenGuard Gold approved formulation also has reduced viscosity and improved spread rate. This will make application smoother and even easier whether you apply the oil manually or with a machine. Better slip resistance and a slightly lower consumption are additional advantages. And finally, the product is more stable during transport and extreme weather conditions. So no matter where you are, you will always have the same top quality oil.